In this video, I will show you how to change the screen resolution and size in Windows 11. To get started, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, look at the options listed on the left side. Click on System. Now, within the System menu, find and click on Display. In the display settings, you'll see a section labeled Scale and Layout. Here, there are several important options available for adjustment. First up is Scale. This allows you to change the size of text, apps, and other items displayed on your screen. You can choose from preset scaling options or set a custom scaling value if needed. Next is Display Resolution. Adjusting this setting helps optimize how content appears based on your connected display's capabilities. Click here to explore different resolutions. In most cases, selecting recommended resolution ensures optimal clarity and performance for your specific monitor. After selecting a desired resolution from the list, a pop-up will appear confirming your choice. If you like this new resolution setting, simply click Keep Changes. If it doesn't suit your needs or looks off, click Revert to go back to your previous setting. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.